Jai Hind, dear students of class 6. Today we are going to start our academic sessions 21-22 and we are going to our English subject. The first book of English subject is Honeysuckle. And my dear students, today we will start learning our first chapter, that is Who Did Patrick's Homework. My dear students, this chapter is written by Carol Rolle and this is the mystery in this chapter, means do you like your homework or not. So my dear students, without making a delay, let's have a start of this chapter. Patrick never did his homework, never did homework. Too boring, he said he played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. Nintendo means it's a video game. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. Ignoramus means it's a proudy person, it's an ignorant person. But what could he do? He hated homework. Means there was a story, this is a story of a boy who was not willing to do any single homework because he said it was boring. And what he did instead of this? He played basketball, Nintendo. And sometimes you feel, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. Sometimes it is inner conscience that tells him that you will never do anything if you will not do your homework. It's true although, but what he could do? He was not interested in that. He hated homework. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it was not a doll at all but a man of tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt and with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall much like a witch. He yelled, said me, don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. One day, when Patrick was playing, then he found that a cat is playing with a little dog. So he grabbed it from cat, and when he grabbed it, it was his surprise that it was not a little doll. It was a man of tiniest size, and when he grabbed it, the man called, the man prayed that don't hand over me to the cat, and in exchange, I will provide you, I will grant you a wish, and I promise you to do that. Patrick could not believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems, so he did. Only if you will do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. If you do a good job enough, I could even get A's. Patrick was not believing on that because his all wishes was going to be fulfilled, and he said, no, don't need to worry about, but you will have to do my homework for the whole semester, that is for 35 days. And if you do a good enough job, I will get A's. The little man's face wrinkled like a dish cloth thrown in the hammer. He kicked his legs and doubled his feet, and he grimaced and scolded, pursued his lips. Oh, I am cursed, but I will do it. This cloth means a cloth is used for the washing dishes, and hamper means a basket with a lid, and grimaced face means grimaced or scowled. Pursued is lips his face, and this expression that shows the disgust or the anger. That means he was angry after hearing the statement made by Patrick. But what he can do? He had said that I think I am cursed, but I will do it. And true of his words that the little elf began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, help me, he would say, and Patrick would have to help. In whatever way, I don't know this word. The elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. Know what's even better. Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. It's a true word. Little elf began to do Patrick's and he started working Patrick's homework. But there was a glitch. There was a fault in a machine that prevents it working from properly. Glitch means a fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. Means he started working for Patrick's, but there was a problem. He was unaware. He was not all the time aware what he had to do. So he needed help. And Patrick would have to help whatever the way, but he had to. And the elf always skip. Elf means the little man. He always asked for what? For a helping hand. That he is unaware of this word. So Patrick will have to help him. Patrick will have to help him. Or get a dictionary. Know what's even better. Look up the word and sound out it by each other. Dear students, he was making always a question from Patrick, and Patrick had to resolve it. That means he was unable to do the homework alone. So he needed the help of Patrick. Right? My dear students, next what we have to see is the para number 6. That is, when it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are times table? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. When it was a matter of maths, Patrick's luck was not in favor of him. Because what are times tables? The elf shrieked. Shrieked means gave a short high-pitched cry. Means he was unaware, so that he was sad. And he had told to Patrick that we elves are never needed such type of timetable, so just help me out. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions, here sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history, to them it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. Dear students, he again given an information that in addition, subtraction, division or fractions, I don't need all this nonsense. So sit down beside me and you will guide me. Elves know nothing of the human history, to tell them it's a mystery, and the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. He started speaking loudly. Go to the library, I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. As a matter of fact, every day in the way little elf was a nag, Patrick was working harder than ever and was it drag. It was staying up nights and had never felt so weary. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and glaring. That means nag means one who troubles someone all the time by complaining and asking, and drag means to pull something dull and uninteresting. The matter of fact, the elf was continuously making questions. He always put something like trouble before Patrick, and for what Patrick had to do more and more tough jobs. And he had done it. He had absolutely done it. For the completion of his homework, he had to study more and more. He had to study more and more. And he had done, he had to do. And he was going to school with the eyes puffed. It was puffed like a sausages and also buried. Finally, the last day of the school arrived and he was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. Sliding is secretively. And the last day of the school has been arrived. It was the end of the semester and now the elf has no work to do. So he silently just get out of the back door. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model of kid. Cleaned his room, did his chorus, was cheerful, never looked like he had developed a whole new attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his own. But I will share a secret. Just between you and me, it was not that Patrick had done it himself. And at the time of result declaration, Patrick was on his age. Everyone was amazed. His parents were wondering how Patrick can do this. Patrick was now considered as a symbol of the student, as an idol student. For what? For his contribution, what Patrick had done. And my dear students, he was the icon. He was considered as the icon of the students. And he was the responsible for that. That was the absolutely suitable job for him, suitable title for him. Dear students, as you know that everyone, and after you also, after hearing this story, you will be able that the elf has done all the things. But no, there is a secret in that story, that elf had not done a single homework because he was always needed a help, and the help was being provided by whom? Provided by Patrick. That means the whole homework was done by Patrick. So that's all, my dear students. I think sometimes it happens to us that we are unwilling to do that, but there is someone who makes us to work, and we work on that. So don't get lazy. The story, this first chapter has been finished. You will be provided the question and answers of the same tomorrow to your application. Today you will just read and revise again and again chapter number 1. If you are unable to understand a single question, a single statement, then you are free to speak to your classroom. So we will meet tomorrow with the next session. Up to the time, thank you. Have a nice day.